Hi, Ellen. My name is Lola. I was a show dog. LOL. Queen of everything is my proper title. Anyway, can I be straight with you? Who am I kidding? You're gay and, well, I'm spayed. But seriously, you know that disasters suck. Montecito has had its share recently. It must have been so scary for animals and their humans. And you helped. I need your help too. It's Emergency Preparedness Week in Canada. There is some handy info for humans on how to be prepared for us furry family members in an emergency in this link. There are things our humans need to think about and do before an emergency happens. You see, humans have opposable thumbs, and we don't. If you could be so kind to use yours to retweet this to all your friends, you'd be helping out so many animals. You'd also help me out personally. There may be a treat involved. Thanks, Ellen. Keep making our humans smile. We just want them to be happy and prepared, not scared. Wishing you a great Canadian Emergency Preparedness Week. Smooch from a pooch. Lola out.